Okay, we are at Tower 2 Signature, and this is 721, 37th floor, room 721. This is a penthouse, one bedroom. Okay, and as we come in, this is the living area, and then we'll talk about that in a second. Over here is the kitchen, and you see we have a stovetop, microwave, oven, full cabinets, and that just slammed the door with the wind. And then we have a huge refrigerator, gigantic refrigerator, freezer. And then if you go over, you have a table that you can dine at. The couch turns into a queen size, nicely appointed television in a beautiful decorated cabinetry, 10-foot ceilings in the penthouse. And then this is bathroom number 1, which includes a shower. So if you had someone staying with you and they're going to use the queen couch, then they could shower there. And we have the mat, and there's dual air conditioning, dual for the front and the bedroom. Now, this is the master bedroom, and you've got 2 windows here, and we have just a corner view of the magical sphere. You can see the sphere out there showing the Wizard of Oz, and this is a strip view balcony. So if we go over here as well to the master bedroom window, you can see down the strip here too. MGM is a little bit off the strip a tiny bit, and so it's a little bit quieter here. King size bed. We have a desk and television. You have a closet. And here you got another closet with a safe and drawers. And then we have the master bathroom. The master bathroom contains a jetted tub, a large shower, makeup station with a sink over here with a small screen, and a separate bathroom as well. Now, if we go out here and we go back into the main room and we take a look, this is the balcony from the 37th floor. This is not my favorite place right just this second in the first 5 minutes, but I might get used to it. But you can see now from here, we can't see the sphere, but from the forward window in the master bedroom, we can see the sphere. It's right behind Tower 3 right there, which is to our right. And here we have more of downtown Las Vegas. And if we go back in, so we take a look here, the cabinetry, more storage you could use for people who are staying in the front room. Now, typically, you don't want to drink those particular waters. I believe they're $9 each. We were upgraded from a 1-bedroom we already had on the 7th floor to a 1-bedroom penthouse. And I don't think it was made up for expecting us to come in. So that's our tour of the penthouse, 37th floor, 1-bedroom, balcony strip view.
Thanks for spending a little time with us today. If you enjoyed this and want more insider tips, real travel stories, and deals that make your bucket list closer than you think, be sure to scan the QR code, hit subscribe, or follow. Why? Because every week we bring you ideas that save you money, inspire your next adventure, and show you how to travel smarter without the stress. Don't just dream about travel. Make it happen with us. Follow now so you never miss your next chance to wander worth